Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix your speaker outer ring. I did remove this speaker from my 3-way Sony speaker tower. Start using a flat screwdriver to remove the outer frame. Take your time and do this process carefully, not to try to break any part. Now let's remove the old outer ring and clean the excess. As you can see here, I'm using the flat screwdriver to clean the older glue. Using a sharp knife, try to clean the outer frame as well. As you can see now, it is super clean and ready for the new ring. Flip the speaker upside down. Using any universal glue, we will start the process from inside. Now let's fix the new ring. This process needs patience and slowly, as the ring must be aligned in the middle of the speaker cone. As you can see now, I am pushing with my hand from inside and outside to fix the ring. Now let's apply the glue to the outer side of the speaker ring. As you can see, you have to start push gently and take the overlap more than one time. Use any small screwdriver to open the older screw axis. Now we apply again universal glue to the outer frame of the speaker to fix the outer frame. Now flip the speaker and apply small amount of pressure. This is the final result. As you can see, it look like brand new again. I hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching.